go, Jesse! Yes, Uncle.
Oh my god, Uncle, touch me.
No, like an ash like dropped on me before. I know. It's a laser. That kind of hurt.
I heard it and that was bright.
We'll do like a 2 How long is that? It's a long time.
Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep things loose, they keep things alive. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling
thought it was not Blood Bowl.
Imagine having a season.
Yes.
It's already done. No.
It's not.
Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised through the hamburger stand now. See, she forgot all about the library like she told her old man now. And with the radio blasting, goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And she'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the teeter away. Fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the teeter away. Can't stand her 'cause she walks, looks surprised like an ace. Walk like an ace now, you walk like an ace. She makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race. Like an ace now, you look like an ace. A lot of guys try to catch her, but she leads them on a wild goose chase. Drive like an ace now, you drive like an ace. She'll have fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the teeter away. Fun, fun, fun till her daddy takes the teeter away. Well, you knew all along that your dad was getting wise to you now. And now you shouldn't have lied. And since he took your set of keys, you've been thinking that your fun is all through. Shouldn't have lied, now you shouldn't have lied. But you can come along with me, 'cause we got a lot of things to do now. Now you shouldn't have. We'll have fun, fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun. Now that daddy took the teeter away. Fun, fun.
Do you see this sculpture?
I know.
Not. Go back to the bottom. Yo, look at the plane, bro. Yo, what's the plane?
Well, the East Coast girls are hip. I really dig
That's definitely
those
a drug.
styles they wear, and the Southern girls with the way they talk, they knock me out when I'm
That's
down
like
there.
way higher than Iron
The Midwest farmers' daughters really make you feel alright, and the Northern girls with the way they kiss, they keep their boyfriends warm at night. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California. I wish they all could be California
They don't do the fire until.
Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
I know a place where the grass is really greener, warm, wet and wild. There must be something in the water. Sipping gin and juice, laying underneath the palm trees, and the birds break their necks, trying to creep a little sneak
Big boom.
Beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me. My lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, if I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far
That match, bro.
beyond the star, it's near beyond.
Fight a war.
I know beyond a doubt my Lord will lead me there soon. Beyond the shore we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll feel beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. Beyond a doubt, my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet, I know we'll meet beyond the shore. We'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go see.
Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
So long sailing, bye bye.
Gang.
They should play I Beat Mama. Hey, they should play the I Beat Mama song.
Bro, I actually have a big beat drop on that song.
They should play the song where it's like, I
You don't know the line.
Bro, I've been recording for almost 20 minutes.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in our eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way.
America.
They didn't like a baby.
Sun is high,
I hate
and
country
that
music.
old clock is moving slow, and so am I. Workday passes like molasses in wintertime, but it's July. Getting paid by the hour and older by the minute. My boss just pushed me over the limit. I'd like to call him something.
That guy
I think I'll just call it a day. And pour me something tall and strong. Make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
My arm hurts though.
Yeah, I'm like shaking. Like I'm going numb.
I could pay off my tab, pour myself in a cab, and be back to work before 2.
Kids bug?
At a moment like this, I can't help but wonder, what would Jimmy Buffett do? Funny you should ask, Alan. I'd say, pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. What time zone am I on? What country am I in? It doesn't matter. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's always on 5. Gonna put the world away for a minute. Pretend I don't live in it. Sunshine gonna wash my blues away. Had sweet love, but I lost it. She got too close, so I fought it. Now I'm lost in the world, trying to find me a better way. Wishing I was deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze, and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Wrote a note, said be back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway. Mind on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't ever gonna go away. 'Cause now I'll be deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. This champagne show washing over me. It's a sweet, sweet life, living by the salty sea. One day you could be as lost as me. Change your geography. Maybe you might be. Deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Come on in, the water's nice. Find yourself a lip slice. Grab a backpack and light. You never know until you try. When you lose yourself, you find the key to paradise.
play Earthquake.
Oh, I was joking, but that would actually be fun.
Majesty.
That's hot.
Yeah, that was so
That was really neat.
I'll post that from here.
Thank you for coming and helping us celebrate our town and our nation's evening. Travel home safely, and good night.